going, guys?
How's it going?
Good. I got a report of this drone over the prison.
You got a report?
Yeah. That's me.
Cool.
So you weren't flying over the prison?
Were you flying over the prison?
Did you see us flying over the prison?
I'm just asking if that drone was over the prison. It's just a simple question, yes or no.
I don't know, was it? Do we have to answer questions?
Well, whoever's operating that drone is flying over the prison.
Oh yeah? What, you cite a law?
Well, what we're talking about is we just don't want anybody to drop anything into the prison.
Right.
So it looks like they're just staying on this side.
Although it wouldn't be unlawful for us to cross over if we're on the public easement on that side of the road.
You know what? I don't know. I don't know about that over the prison.
There's no laws. Okay, Michigan Legislative Senate Bill 487 was proposed in 2015 and has not passed. So there's no law that prevents us from flying over it.
That prison.
Over that prison.
What about airport?
An airport, that's a little different. You can't be, but see, this has GPS stuff in it that would limit that.
I
So
understand. He's indicating that prison is over.
It's just, I think they're worried that every independent people breaking the law.
I agree with you 100%. We're just answering calls.
Sure. No, we hear you. Call of lawful activity in this case.
You got it. You got it.
See you guys. Yeah, take it easy. 85006.
You guys filming anything particular? Or? I've been wanting to fly mine over the solar field.
No, that would be cool down there.
Yeah, totally. But that 500-foot elevation gig,
Yeah.
I found the same problem with mine. But I'd like to get about 1,000 feet up straight down.
Right. Wouldn't that be nice?
Well, we notified the prison. As long as they're notified, apparently, we're good too.
Sweet. Okay, cool.
They can monitor any, whatevers that they would feel would be a problem. You know what I mean?
no,
Right,
we're not going to fly over on that side of the street.
Right,
I mean,
I appreciate it, guys.
we know right where our limit is, so we
Awesome.
understand that makes them nervous. This makes them nervous enough on this side. We wouldn't put it over there.
Yeah.
Plus, to be honest, I don't want to lose it over that fence.
No, I was just gonna, you
I
read
mean,
my
it's
mind.
like-
If you had a problem, I
Yeah,
think they'd own
it's
it.
like if you have a small glitch like that, but
Yep.
Yeah, you're not getting it back if it crashes.
Same problem as with over water.
exactly.
A buddy of mine did his calibration on his pontoon, and then he went cruising on his pontoon following it, and then his battery went low and it was going home,
Oh, no.
and he had to race to get back because it was landing. Man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's got a video of it. He's just reaching over and
You
grabbing
can,
it.
you can
Can you override that? See,
Yeah.
I've not been able to ever override
Yeah,
that.
with your hold switch button, you just flip it back and forth 2 or 3 times and it overrides it, and then you get control of it.
Good to know.
Because
Good
under
to know.
15%, it's doing its own thing. It's going
Agreed.
to
And you
return to
have
home.
time at 15.
Yeah.
That's good to know. So it's going to be the right toggle.
Yep, the right toggle. And I think you can actually set up either or in the software, but it's usually the right one comes standard.
Sweet.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
No problem. Have a good day.
Appreciate the education on that.
No problem.
Yeah, you take it easy. No, you're right, Hannah. He was fine.
How you guys doing?
Band 3?
2.
Oh, alright. I like it.
So
I'm
do
a DJI fan myself.
I. Yeah.
We're just worried about keeping it contraband, drop.
We understand
a
that.
lot of things that happen around the prison. So
Yeah, we understand your
What's wrong
concern.
with contraband in the prison?
well, it's illegal.
Oh, well, okay, what's wrong with that? What's morally wrong with that?
Well, it's just illegal for them to bring contraband.
Yeah, it was illegal for Jews to escape the Holocaust, too. I mean, what's wrong with flying stuff over the fence?
Sure.
Yeah.
That's all they're concerned about. How some method escape.
I,
If you guys are just
I can't lift a person with
we
this.
don't have an issue. It's
This
just, I even talked to him.
you can't escape on a
He's
DJI
that,
fan too.
No flying over prisons only in the state legislature hasn't been passed.
Right,
Can't
487.
argue that effect.
Yeah, I mean, House Bill 487 never went through.
Yep.
It was recommended, it went to the floor, but it never passed the Senate, so that's a moot point. And in FAA, there are no current regulations
Right.
as far as.
You're absolutely right. I'm actually signed up. I don't know if you're I'm going to take your Part 107 test, but I signed up. I'm going to take my commercial test. So I know a lot about drones. I have
Sure.
a Phantom 4,
Yeah.
and you know, I know where you're coming from.
Right. I've been a pilot for 20 years, a full-size aircraft,
Oh,
so rotary and fixed wing. So I'm well versed on aeronautical laws.
It's expensive. How do you afford it?
Well, 20 years ago, I lived at home while I did it.
Oh, that's
So, yeah,
I've always had interest in rotary.
yeah, that's expensive, extremely expensive. $250 an hour times 40 hours minimum, and you never do it in 40. So, save your pennies.
That's just our concern. Is
Yeah.
the safety of the other prisoners. If
We understand
any
that.
kind of weapons or drugs get in, it causes a lot of
Yeah,
problems.
no,
And that's,
we stayed well within the public
Right, that's what
easement.
and that
So-
was the whole point. We called, made sure that there wasn't,
Right.
over the.
Well, like I explained to the other officer, if I have a battery malfunction or it glitches, I don't want to lose it over the wall.
Right.
So I
No,
mean, this isn't like I can just go into Myers and replace it in 10
Exactly.
minutes. It's
Yep.
there's
There's money invested into
a little
it.
bit. So I mean, I want it as safe as possible too, but I also want to be free in my movement and and my right to take pictures of this is publicly funded facility. Exactly. So it's all public to us. We have a right to see what goes on behind those walls just as much as anyone else. So
Thanks,
all right.
Yeah, you take it
Have a good day.